Voice over LTE initiative that we launched at the GSMA World Congress February 2010 is moving forward very well. So at that point, we already had documented the user network interface. So there's a common interface which can be implemented for handsets and networks to enable economies of scale on the handset side to grow through common implementation of a voice service. Since then, what we've added is the network interface to enable one IMS network to connect to another in a standardized fashion, which is important to allow end-to-end calls to happen without the need for expensive interworking functionality. And the piece which we're working on right now is the roaming interfaces. So if I'm in a visited network and I still want to receive voice service, it's bad for quality of service if the bearer path has to route all the way back to my home network, particularly if I'm maybe on the other side of the world. So the visited network has to have defined functionality to allow it to handle voice calls which are initiated by a roaming customer. And that's the part which we've been working on, and we've just finished defining the architecture for that. In terms of actual implementation and deployment, what we're expecting to happen is devices to begin to appear around about the end of 2011, early 2012, services happening about the same time. And in that interim gap, we're expecting most people to use CS fallback as the mechanism to support voice on LTE handsets.